Huh?
There's a web right here.
I don't
see that.
Oh. What? What?
I heard some crawling.
Oh, run! Alright, we're gonna do it. I already do. Fucking hell. Check
with the camera. What is going on, YouTube? It is A&B here, and today we got a banger for you guys. We're on our way to 7 Gables Road, the most haunted road in Michigan.
It's in this one little, pretty crappy town, Dansville, is I think the name of it.
Yeah, it's about an hour away from our place.
Yeah, so we're on the road right now. Let's see what we got in store for the scariest road in Michigan.
Yeah, scariest road in Michigan. Alright guys, we're 5 minutes away and I'm not gonna lie, I got like pretty decent amount of butterflies. Dude.
I have butterflies too, so does our
cameraman.
Right.
5 minutes away, dude. This looks sketchy.
I know. I mean, no, these aren't even the sketchiest roads. What we saw was even more sketchier. Yeah. We'll have to probably record on the way back.
No cars, just like this, practically. No lights or anything.
I'm not turning on the brights
here.
It's
a bit sketchy, so yeah. 5 minutes away, we'll see you guys when we get there.
We'll see you right as we're there.
Alright guys, we are here. We're at the dead end. We didn't film the sign, but we'll get some pictures before.
Right, this is the road itself. We just saw a car there too, so.
Yeah.
Alright boys, we're here.
Now, butterflies kind of went away a little bit. I don't know, adrenaline might be kicking in. They're going.
Huh?
They're going too. These people were just leaving. I'm guessing they couldn't handle it.
Or they just checked it out. So.
Yeah. Alright boys.
Alright.
Well, we're walking past.
Oh my.
Look at this, dude. Look at this.
This is a creepy road, bro. Look, there's a. Am I bright? Oh, okay, now my bright's on. I'm sorry.
We still haven't got to the gate though.
Yeah, we haven't even gotten to. That's what I'm gonna assume is that like little light over there.
Oh, there's the gate.
There's the gate.
There's the fucking gate, boys. Get hyped. We gotta remove the butterfly somehow. Now, guys, we're gonna be walking. We're not no bitches. Mama ain't raised no pussies. We're gonna be going past it. On the gate. For the
I was gonna think that for
oh my fucking god, dude.
Why did I fucking play that?
What if you saw some of this lady running towards this fucking window?
Oh my god, I'd shit myself, Brendan.
What's up?
We're about to go check it out.
Yeah. Did you guys go past the gate?
I haven't tried, but I think we can.
I mean, we're going to for a YouTube video, so.
Yeah.
Mama ain't raised no bitch, so you already know.
Yeah.
Alright, see ya.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Dude, this is fucking sky. I gotta pee. I'm not gonna disrespect the dead. So the legend is that if you walk, if you hear a scream while you're going over the gate, the last person to cross the gate is going to die. So we're doing a little loophole. We're going around the gate.
Oh my god, guess who's last?
Alex last.
I don't give a shit.
But we didn't jump the gate. No. So now we're walking down the road at nighttime. I haven't seen many videos. I don't think I've seen a video of people walking down.
Not at nighttime. There's people walking in the day.
We're not gonna go super duper far.
We're not gonna die.
Bug went in my throat.
A bug, yeah. There's a crap ton of bugs though.
Yeah, we're just keeping an eye out, obviously.
This is where the house was.
That's where, oh yeah, over there. I see the rubble.
Yeah, should we go check it out?
Want to?
A little bit.
That's kind of off the road.
It is. I was just.
I'm trying to get lost.
Yeah, here first let's go out a little bit.
I don't know how far we're going, dude. There's a tree right there. It looks fucking sketch.
There's a spot. I saw some old man on the video talking about how like get pressure in his ears for one of the things. He's probably being he's probably lying, but we'll see.
I mean, if the ghost is here, we're friendly. We don't need any intrusion on you.
We just want a YouTube video.
We're here to YouTube video.
Yeah,
showcase your epicness, you know?
Come on, we're like Steven Crowder, change our minds. Do we believe in you or not?
Yeah, exactly. Well, don't. Careful what you wish for, Alex.
Okay.
Careful what you wish for.
I don't wish to see one, but.
I mean, yeah, unless you're friendly. Like, if you're friendly, we'll smoke a joint, you know? We'll kill it, yeah. Don't kill us, you know? I don't want to die virgin, you know? That was bad. I think that's scarier than a ghost.
I know.
A spider ghost? That's good. So far, I'm not really feeling any kind of like pressure or my butterflies are not really existing, to be honest with you.
Yeah, neither am I.
Yeah.
They're just kind of like chill, to be honest.
Still a walk.
A little bit. I mean, I keep looking into your shadow.
Yeah,
and
it looks sketchy.
It's annoying. No, because if you look at mine, I guarantee you don't see anything
yeah.
here. But I don't see anything over there.
Yeah.
No.
So.
The noise is getting a little bit louder though. Harder we walk for like the animals.
The bugs. Stupid bugs, dude. They all look like, oh my god, that's so weird. So what the like light is doing is like it blurs my vision.
What?
It's probably like a frog or something. Did you hear that?
No.
It's like right there.
Spider webs.
Yeah, did you run into the
Yeah.
bugs too? Yeah. What is like a big light over there?
I don't think it's Michigan.
Those brown recruitment.
Yeah, it's
Dude,
the worst, dude.
What?
Oh
Oh my
shit!
god, stop. I think something was on me. Fuck man, everything feels like it's touching me. This is
dude.
shit.
Look at this dude.
What? I'm not choking.
You're a pussy.
I don't need a spider on me. I told you, I'm scarier than a fucking ghost.
Yeah.
Stop dropping stuff.
Zipper broke.
The ghost is pranking you now.
Damn it.
Dude, this dude is so nervous. He's shaking like it.
Oh, come on. Shut up. I ain't nervous.
Oh, he's not nervous. No, he's just messing around.
Dude, there's bugs everywhere.
I know, it's the stupid bugs, man.
Yeah, I know. I feel you.
Keep the light in front of us, man. I'm not trying to run into a brown like a food. Wait.
What if someone stole our car, dude? Those dudes came back and stole her.
I'm
thinking the worst
Did you
shit.
hear that though?
I just started.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
Sound like a car though. I'm not gonna lie.
It does sound like a car, but. Oh, it does look like there's a little
Don't
bit
do
of
that.
light. What do you do?
Bro, yeah, this is a dead end.
Don't do that.
This is a dead end.
You think so?
Yeah, it's a dead end.
Okay, let's keep walking. See. Don't pussy out, boy. You got this.
Oh my god, fucking little bitch.
What?
Oh, you don't hear that, dude?
No.
Oh my god, there's something right there, dude. It keeps walking next to me. This is so sketchy. Huh?
There's a web right here.
I don't
See that?
What? What?
I heard some cool like.
Oh, run, run, run!
Alright, we're gonna dip in there. We're gonna dip in there. I heard it too. Fucking hell.
Check with the camera.
You tricked me.
Check with the camera.
Oh my god, my heart.
I don't want to go back.
Should we go back?
No.
No.
What the? I heard that. Dude.
I know.
So like someone's walking. I
know.
swear
I
to
swear to
fucking
God,
God.
dude. Oh man, I'd rather keep the light.
I can't see anything out of the lens.
Check.
There's nothing out of the lens.
What do you mean?
For me, I keep.
It's all blurry. I got odd focus.
Focus again.
Hold this camera.
Holy fuck, dude.
Let me focus it.
From here, dude.
I heard something. I swear to God. I thought you were shitting. I heard it. I thought Zach was fucking around.
No, twice, dude.
I'm trying to focus it. I can't focus it.
That could be it. Could have been just an animal.
I can't
It
focus
could have been, but it's scary, dude.
Why can't I focus it?
All right.
Let's not go back.
All right. So they don't want to go back, but I kind of want to.
I stubbed my toe.
A little bit.
Let's go a little bit. Yeah.
back.
I stubbed my toe.
Did you?
Yes, you tripped me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dude. I got scared as fuck. I was running, man.
I know.
Every man for themselves.
It again.
Hey, as long as I'm faster than you, bro, I'm safe. I'm safe, dude. You're like the fat dude in the group, man. I'm trying to use as much footage for you guys as possible. This deserves a fucking like, my guy.
Yeah,
We haven't seen
yeah,
anything
give this
too
video a
paranormal,
like,
but
man.
what
I
the fuck
ran
was
into a
that?
damn
What
cobweb.
was that?
What?
Oh, it's just a tree.
Here, turn around, bro.
Yeah, let's turn
That's
around.
enough heart attacks for the day.
Yeah.
All right, calmly walking. I keep hearing it from the left, dude. Twice I heard it, and you didn't even listen to me.
So how was that experience, Brian?
I think the scariest thing so far has been the spider webs.
How about Ali? How about you?
I mean,
I'm pretty good, dude.
I heard it twice,
Yeah,
and they didn't want to listen to me. I don't know how you guys.
I didn't.
Maybe one person only hears it, because I didn't hear when it happened to you.
Are you serious?
I swear to God, to you.
No fucking way.
I swear to God, to you. I twice
Did
heard
you
it.
hear it? You heard it, right?
But it was-
you screamed like a girl.
Dude, I was
I
scared.
had a manly ass girl. Oh,
I'm scared.
No, I mean it's
it's
a creepy road, dude. I see
But
why
I
people
feel
come here in the morning.
I feel like it's just the nighttime that's playing tricks on us, dude.
Yeah, that's another thing though. No, but I heard something. Like I mean,
So, I heard that 100%.
I really don't want to go back.
Take a look at the back.
Yeah, take a look.
look.
Take a look. Yeah, but look at how. Oh, dude, that is just not. You know what's gonna suck on some like scary shit? Imagine we just like fucking look back and then we look forward and
What the
there's
fuck was that? Dude? I
Stop.
swear to God, there's something in the tree.
Dude.
I swear. It's probably most likely a squirrel. Ghost, thank you for letting us pass alive. We appreciate you.
something- Right.
Trust me, this will
Appreciate
get.
it.
I heard talking.
No, you didn't.
I just hear these trees, man.
It's the wind you reach.
Ghost, if you want to shout on your Instagram, give us on your Instagram. We got you, boy.
Yeah.
Or girl. I don't want to assume your
We
gender.
only have like a little bit.
But we do appreciate you. If you are there, We don't want to disturb your peace. We're sorry.
Oh, fuck that pussy, man.
Hey,
Dog,
hey,
Hey,
get him, get him.
I was just
Get
joking.
him, not us.
I was just joking.
We love you
Do you have a
guys.
sense of comedy? I hope so. This little path right
Yeah.
here.
I think we should check it out, dude.
No, I'm good.
Yeah, we got to.
Don't you dare do that.
What?
What'd you do?
I swear I didn't do anything. Bible on everything.
Shut up. I heard like
Bible on
walking.
everything.
All right, we'll go a little bit towards it. We'll see what's up.
Unless we staying overnight here. Would you guys ever do that for a video?
For 1 million subs.
Like 100,000 subs, 10,000
Yeah,
subs.
10,000 subs.
Staying overnight at a haunted place, like in a tent and stuff.
Oh, that tree log scared me.
I know that.
That's what I pointed out earlier. I was like, bro, this guy.
Oh, what is that?
Too light.
You hear that?
What?
You didn't hear that, bro?
I heard
What was
it.
it?
You heard it? It was like some. You hear it?
It went through a rock or some shit. Yeah, it's a car.
From there?
Oh, it's a plane.
Oh, it's a plane. You motherfucker. Come
Yeah.
on, dude.
There's been a lot of planes, dude.
I know.
I don't see where the foundation is, though.
Yeah, over there. Wait, check over there. Like, flash your flashlight over.
What's out of the ground?
What is this? A frisbee?
Well, was this the foundation itself before?
No, it looks like a pipeline. Like, you know how they have those things in the ground? They're
Oh yeah, you're
That's what it
right.
looks like.
Okay, can we stop pointing the ground?
Oh yeah, point it up.
Sorry.
Man, I wish we had like night vision like Cash. That'd be dope.
I don't see foundation, though.
I don't need.
People say it's under all tree leaves.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's impossible to find.
I don't really want to look for it. I mean, this is probably the most sketch way if you think about it, because it's just open land.
I know.
Yeah, there could be a murderer here. You never know.
Yeah, there's a murder just randomly there. It's like, it's in a horror movie. They don't just know where you are.
I hear something over there. What's over there? Shh. Hear
I
that?
did hear that.
Oh, that was a bump.
And it's getting windier.
Yeah, I did get a little, the wind did.
It did get a little bit windy. I'm not gonna lie.
You want to hold it now, or you want me to?
Yeah.
Here, just look at the difference though. This is the iPhone light for the Husky. Look
Yeah.
at that bad boy. We can literally. Oh,
What?
I saw something.
I swear to God.
You guys are tripping, dude.
I swear to God.
Yeah, let's start heading back now.
No, let me see the light. Let me see the light.
It was like it could have been the trees, honestly, if I'm not playing with myself.
Should we go
But I
look?
swear
No.
to God, if something gave a little bit of.
Should we pull some white people?
I'm
Oh my
not.
God! Every time you flash it, like.
Stupid bugs, man.
Or slow down a little bit. So I'm trying to.
Spiderweb. I don't want to go in that spiderweb.
We're not gonna go past it.
Where?
I'm just looking.
Here,
So far, I don't see anything, dude. It's kind of a letdown. Try to be as quiet as possible.
All right.
My name is Jeff.
Look over there again.
Look behind. Behind.
Wait, no. Take a look again. Take a look again.
There's nothing, boys.
Yeah, just small line tricking me.
All right.
I wonder if this ain't. It sounds like a frog up there.
Why would
Or a bird.
Spider frog.
I feel like that's what we heard, to be honest. It's just like
I wonder what that thing
in the
is
moment
called,
when we came here. I did.
The wind's picking up again, dude.
Then it's our time to leave.
Dump it.
No, let's go
I mean,
around.
you can if you want. I'm going around, dude.
The left side.
Maybe we
All right, fine. We respected you.
We're respecting your property. You need to pick up anything? Should we jump it just to see if we
I
hear
think
any
the dope
screams?
shot would be if Zach gets us like us like this.
I swear to God, I heard.
I heard something.
I heard like a screech.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo, woo. That's when you got deep. Dip.
Zach gets us like Zach gets us like.
I swear. We gotta look back at the footage.
Okay. Come on. Just press the fucking gate.
The door's locked.
Oh yeah, wait.
Come on.
Stop being a pussy. Gotta calm myself on that fucking rust, dude.
Oh no.
Did you really?
I swear to God.
It's bad.
Maybe he was the last person to cross the gate. He
No,
was the
I
last
didn't
person to
jump
cross
it,
the
I didn't
gate.
jump it, though.
Okay, I'm getting mosquito bites crazy right now.
All right, boys. We made it.
We have almost made it. Oh my God, I keep hearing shit. Let's go. Oh man. You know, honestly, fuck man, I caught myself like a dumbass.
Did you? Oh no. Oh, dude, if you got that.
Get that. Get on the. Put the.
Did you coat yourself with rust?
It's over there. Oh, fuck, I think it is wrong.
Put the flashlight on it. I can't see it. Let me
It
focus.
doesn't look like it's bad though. Fuck man, I caught myself like a dumbass. You know, it is kind of scary though. It is.
Huh?
He says it's a letdown, but when you're going there, you
It
get
is true.
like
No, it
your
is
head
true.
starts playing. My
Like you're
interest.
sweating like a motherfucker, dude.
I'm sweating.
Yeah,
bad.
I'm sweating because we ran.
All right, I gotta.
I mean, I sweat because of everything.
I gotta open the door and take my sweatshirt off. Flannel.
Let's take it off right now.
I can't. I gotta stand up.
Close the door at least, so you can die. Let me see the flashlight.
What if I just get dragged?
We'll leave you.
Would you guys?
No, I'd come out and try to save you.
I mean, it's better if just I die than you, all three of you.
Yeah, I know, but screw it. If you die, we're all dying. So Zach might be the only one, but he doesn't know how to drive, so he's screwed.
Closing thing. I mean, we had the one scare. It was, dude, I swear to God, we heard. It
Yeah,
felt
but
like it
these
heard.
little bitches didn't want to listen to me when I said it.
I was
twice.
listening.
You didn't hear it though.
I heard it.
Maybe that's like the thing, though.
Maybe because you didn't hear it. He says he claims he didn't hear it the second time, right? When we heard it when we ran, did you hear it or no?
I didn't hear it, but I just know that you guys both heard it. So.
Yeah, we heard it. This is what I heard. Like right by Zach's feet, the cameraman. I was like, "What are you doing, Zach?" And he was just standing still, and it was getting like. Then got really close. It was like someone was walking. It could have been. It was most likely an animal. That's the most probable thing.
That's yeah. We didn't see anything. I mean, unless the footage shows.
Yeah, we'll be looking back.
See,
at
I
the
keep
footage.
thinking I hear a dog. Why is that?
Yeah, same.
Right?
I don't
Yeah.
know.
It's spirit dog. Spirit
No,
dog.
I keep thinking I'm.
Brandon, that was Brandon. Stop.
I mean, this guy's a bitch. But
I had to.
no, I swear. Like every time I keep like when I look this way, I keep thinking I hear a dog.
Dude, I'm just picturing the worst thing possible. Like, so I'm picturing like something just running at the glass and smacking the car, dude. I watch way too many movies in my life.
I know. That's like the classic movie thing.
Yeah.
And I hate myself for cutting myself. I seriously do. I'm fine. I got a tetanus shot. It should be good. I don't trip about this type of shit.
Your hair is mad
But if it hurts in the
sweaty.
morning,
Huh?
if it looks weird, definitely go to the doctors.
Your hair is
What do you mean
mad
if it looks
sweaty.
weird? How weird does your skin look?
I don't know. You're saying if it like looks not normal.
Yeah, okay, I'll go to the doctors. I have my own car. I can bring myself to the doctors if I need to. Telling me pretty fucking bad. I just want to see what the
But he was the last person, so if he dies, you know the legend's true.
Like,
It was on the edge of that. The red stick thing. That's what I cut myself on.
Really?
Yeah. It just skinned. So.
yeah, but it's bloody.
Dude, there's a fucking spider in the car. I swear. Up there.
I did. Wait, where? Let me see him.
Up there.
Oh, I see him. Fucker, he's right there.
Is he outside?
Oh, he's outside.
No, is
He's still on my car?
Is that the
Oh
one?
my god, I saw him when I was fucking doing my fuel, man. What a fucking dick.
Dude, he's just chilling, bro.
Yeah, he's on the outside. You
Like-
can see him.
Is that the one I saw?
Wait. Oh, it's right there. It's right there, though.
He's on the outside, yeah. You guys see that? I hope you guys... Okay, that was just a bug. Looking at the camera, so far, there's really nothing. I mean, if you guys want to come here, it's a pretty scary experience, but it feels like just more like a haunted maze run, kind of like. There's really not a lot to it. All right, guys. Well, that pretty much does it for the video. It's pretty scary overall, but a lot of just mine. There's a bug right here. I think the spiders were a lot more scary, but yeah.
There's a lot of them. Jesus.
a lot of bugs, dude.
There's a lot.
Look on the window.
But just this road right here. Just look how sketchy.
No, there's a. Yeah, this.
This
Yeah,
road
this is
is
what we were
just
talking about, by the
sketch,
way.
yeah.
Yeah, look at that on the camera. Even on the camera, it looks like
Yeah.
shady as hell.
This is what we had to go through, dude. But now, like, all the butterflies are gone now that we did it. I feel like our next video is gonna be a lot less like first time. You know, it's kind of like when you have sex for the first time right now. Like, just get butterflies. I don't know, because I'm a pleb. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah.